G'day and welcome back to Ordinary Adventurers in Oz. I'm back down in the shed, as you can sort of see. While we're in some of our travels, we wander off and have a swim. And what we found was that we end up with a whole bunch of dirty gear, or if not dirty, at least wet. So we're in King's just recently, and we found these. A 15 litre waterproof dry bag. That's what it looks like when you open it up. All you get is the bag and a 12-month limited warranty, and naturally the box that it comes in. So inside the bag, or the box with the bag in it, you also get the little handle, carry strap, whatever you want to call it. What you don't get is any instructions on how to use it. So I thought I'd just quickly show you how that works. So basically what you do is put stuff in there, close it up, give it a couple of turns, and then you use these two little buckle things to clip it together, and there you have it. The King's little waterproof bag. Now, I haven't really used it as a waterproof bag, but I think it'll be pretty fine. Especially if you do 3 or 4 turns when you're in. You don't seem to lose any air out of there. So yeah, King's waterproof bag. Don't know how good it is. Haven't really used it much, but we got 2 of them for like $15 or something like that, while we were buying some other bits and pieces. So as we go along, we'll test them out, and we'll come back if we have any dramas with them. But just looking at them, I mean, you know, they're reasonably well made by the looks of it. All of the stitching seems to have been sealed, and there doesn't seem to be anything inside the bag itself that makes me think there'd be a problem with it. So yeah, if you're looking for something like this, don't know how much other ones are, but these, as I said, this was like $15 or something for 2 of them. Anyway, hope this is useful, and as always, if you think it is, give us a like, leave us a comment if you've had any experiences with them, and if you want to see what we get up to next, hit that subscribe button. Cheers!